If you'd like to see me transform this bottle of vodka and this glass into this lovely glittery DIY gift, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to be taking this bottle of Svedka, I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not sure, and I'm going to be coloring it purple by using glitter. I just want to add some sparkle to it. This is going to be a gift for someone. I was invited to a 65th birthday party. My uncle's wife turned 65 and she likes vodka, and I happen to have had this bottle from a while ago. I bought it because it was really cute. I haven't put any glitter on any like liquor or wine bottles in a long time, and I just saw this bottle when I was in the grocery store, liquor store, and it stood out to me. It was like so pretty. I never imagined that I put purple glitter over, and you're probably looking like, why are you putting this purple glitter on this pink and blue bottle? I know. This purple, it would be cuter if I was putting like pink or like blue or something like that, but her favorite color, my uncle told me, he said, I know you like to make gifts and do cute stuff. I just want to put it out there. Her favorite color is purple. So I was like, oh, thank you for the memo. So I searched my glitters, and this is the purple that I had. It's a very pretty color. Purple is very beautiful. It's not my favorite color. I'm more so into like pinks, but that's why it's purple if you're wondering. So I'm just going to be using some, what is this glue called? Mod Podge. I'm going to use some Mod Podge, and I'm going to apply the glitter that way. As you can see, I'm using a sponge brush. For something like this, you could, if you want to, paint the bottle purple and then put the purple glitter on. But I felt like because the glitter was so dark already, that it kind of worked out. I feel like the color can't be seen too well through the glitter. So I think it was a nice application. So I just decided that I just wanted the name of the vodka to just show, and I wanted to cover everything up, the barcode, the back, and all that. I never did any ombre glitter. I was thinking like, oh, ombre glitter would be cute if I could do like maybe a silver and a purple. I'm not sure how to do that, and I was kind of pressed for time. So yes, Mod Podge is a great glue to use if you're going to apply the glitter. I don't use it to seal the glitter. I like to use a different product, and I'll show you that later on in the video when we get to that point. When I glitter bottles, I like to use, my favorite is like a chunky glitter. I didn't have a chunky purple glitter, but I like to do 2 coats of glitter just to make sure that like if you bump the bottle a little bit, that it just won't show to the original color of the bottle. So I am going to do 2 coats. I like to wait at least 20 to 30 minutes in between the coats. Then after that, we're going to seal it. Whenever you glitter anything, you must seal it. If you don't seal it, you'll have a glitter party all over your hands, your car, your floor, everywhere. And you don't want to have glitter all over the place. You want to make sure you seal it and lock it in. But this is, I feel like, a very beginner-friendly DIY. It's a great gift to get someone who likes wine or who likes to drink. Even if someone is sober and they're not drinking or cannot drink, you can always get a bottle of like Welch's sparkling grape juice, or like some apple cider or something like that. Now I'm using a brush just to knock off the excess, like an old makeup brush, and it's so helpful because you can kind of dust off and see what's sticking, what's not. So of course I'm going to reuse this glitter. You always want to reuse as much glitter as you can. You don't want to throw your glitter out. These big jars of glitter go a long way. This particular glitter, if you're wondering where I got it, it came from papermart.com. They sell like cute little bags and stuff and packing materials, but if you go to the search area on the website and type in glitter, they have these 1-pound jars of glitter. They literally last me forever. The glitter I bought years ago, I still have it. It hasn't ran out. Okay, so I am now working on my second coat. This is the Mod Podge. As you can see, like I'm doing a tapping motion. You don't want to drag it if you can help it, because you don't want to pull your glitter back off. You want to still be kind of delicate. So just watch me go ahead and add on my second coat of glitter. Okay, so while we're waiting for that to go ahead and dry, I'm going to get my glass prep. This came from Dollar Tree. It's like, it kind of reminds me like a mug, a clear mug. And it's just so cute to me. So I'm wiping this off with alcohol because I'm going to be adding some fine vinyl, which I cut with my Silhouette Cameo cutter. I had some purple vinyl. Again, she loves purple. Her name is Liz. So I just cut out some vinyl with her name on it, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to the glass just to have a more customized feel to the gift. You can definitely leave it like this, but I will be adding a hint of bling to this glass. Okay, so I'm going to use some E6000, and I'm going to take some purple jelly 5mm rhinestones and add them to the letters. It's just 3 letters. It's probably less than about 40 or 50 rhinestones, and this is like super quick. The tool that I'm using is called a wax pickup tool. You can get them on Amazon. They're very convenient. They just help you pick up the rhinestones. Now, if you're using something bigger like pearls or a larger size rhinestone, then you may need to use like some tweezers or just kind of pick it up yourself. But if you're using rhinestones, this is great. Okay, so I have this beautiful butterfly. It's UV resin. I made this in another video a while ago. I bought the mold off Amazon, and I am going to add this to this glass. And I'm also going to use some E6000 and a little bit of UV resin to attach it to the glass. So that's what I'm going to do now. The UV resin is great and it has a really quick hold. Just make sure if you're doing something like this, the angle that you hold it at, because I didn't realize it, but if you look, the glue started to run down the side. That's the UV resin started to run down the side of the glass. And like once that's on your glass, it's like gonna leave a mark. So what I did is I just added a rhinestone to it to make it look like I did that on purpose. Okay, so the glitter has dried. I have 2 coats on. So now it's time to seal the glitter. I'm using this product called Liquid Glass by TriArt. I had this jar for a good probably 2 or 3 years, so it goes a long way. This bigger size jar was about $65. When I looked again, to kind of get a link for someone, for some reason, at the time when I checked, it was like $120. So I don't know what that's about, but this has a very nice, clear, thin finish, and it really makes your glitter like lock in. Not only does it seal your glitter in really good, it like maintains that sparkle. You can use Mod Podge. When I first started out doing crafting, I did use Mod Podge to seal my glitter, but I found that it made my glitter less sparkly. And my projects would just kind of turn out cloudy. And you know, when it comes to glitter, the whole point of using it is to have that sparkle factor. So this product has been amazing in my opinion. So that's why I'm using it. But you can definitely use what makes you feel comfortable. Okay, so once I coat the whole bottle with the liquid glass, I'm going to let that dry for probably about an hour or so. But while I'm letting that dry, what I'm going to do is start to work on the rest of the bottle. So I'm just going to kind of wipe off the wording area and the top. As you can see, I didn't get the glitter on that pink area part. I kind of left that part off on purpose because I'm going to be adding like a strip of rhinestones to that area. So I'm going to start with the letters. I'm going to use the same purple jelly 5mm rhinestones that I used on the name Liz. So that's what I'm going to do here. Okay, so here I have some pink rhinestone trim, and I'm just gonna go around this little area just to kind of make it have a more defined look here, because my glitter isn't a perfect line, and I just thought it would be cute to just line it off right here. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I have this other trim that's really pretty. I'm going to add this to the lid. And I think I added that pink trim to the top part of the bottle, and I just forgot to record it. So I just want to dress it up and just make it look cute. So I'm going to use E6000 for this area. Okay guys, here is the final finished result of this vodka bottle, and the glitter has cured. It still looks very sparkly, and I think this turned out really pretty. And I like how the glass has the purple with her name on it. I really like the butterfly. The butterfly is absolutely beautiful. It's not that same exact purple glitter as it is on the bottle. It's more like a lavender, and then it has like some other little pieces in it, but I think it still goes very well. I did attend the party that probably was about a week or two ago, and my Aunt Liz absolutely loved her gift. She especially loved it because it was purple, and also because she does like vodka, and she really likes butterflies, and she just thought that was really cool as well. So this was a very nice DIY gift. You know, especially sometimes, well, when I go to a party, I don't like to show up empty-handed. So I think it's nice to try to figure out what people like, what their colors are, and just try to make something yourself. And especially if they appreciate it and like it, it kind of turns out nice. It's like a win for everybody. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, share it on Facebook, or send it to someone who may be interested. And also, thanks for subscribing to this channel if you did. If you'd like to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be updated every time I upload a new video. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com, and there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric, and when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. They also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your Crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired Crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.